Hyperdeck Studio, professional broadcast decks that record and playback using SD cards and SSD media. Hyperdeck Studios lets you record broadcast quality video files directly onto SD cards and SSD media. The new redesigned Hyperdeck Studios feature modern design with more codecs and quieter cooling. All models now support recording to H.264, Apple ProRes, or DN x HD files with either PCM or AAC audio. Plus, the 4K model adds support for H.265 files. While you have finished recording, media can be mounted on any computer to access the files using your favorite video software. For ISO recording, there's even built-in timecode and reference generators for syncing multiple units. All of these powerful features make Hyperdeck Studio perfect for broadcast, live production, or multi-screen digital signage. Elegantly designed professional broadcast deck. The new Hyperdeck Studio recorders have been totally redesigned with dozens of new features. The advanced models have new broadcast-style front panel controls and more connections on the rear panel. The LCD screen supports both light and dark mode. Plus, the transport control buttons are stronger with a firm professional feel. The Pro models feature a machined metal search dial with increased mass and a soft rubber surface that feels nice to the touch. Plus, the search dial features an active clutch, just like a traditional broadcast deck. With dual media slots, you can change cards without interrupting recording. The advanced models even include a front headphone connection and speaker.
Có học